Introducing PCB Reworkstation, designed for precise and efficient PCB chip repairs. With a sleek digital display, this hot air gun excels in BGA soldering tasks. Its intelligent features ensure optimal temperature control and airflow, streamlining your repair process. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this station will elevate your soldering experience to the next level, ensuring flawless results every time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the ATTEN ST-862D Intelligent PCB Rework Station, a must-have tool for anyone involved in electronics repair, especially when it comes to delicate PCB chip work and BGA soldering. The ATTEN ST-862D is a high-performance intelligent PCB rework station designed for professional electronic repair and soldering tasks. Equipped with a powerful digital hot air gun and user-friendly digital display, this tool ensures precise temperature control and stable airflow, making it ideal for BGA soldering, desoldering, and chip-level PCB repairs. Intelligent temperature control with digital display for accurate and consistent heating. High-power hot air gun, 1000 W, with adjustable airflow for various rework applications. Rapid heating and cooling for efficient operation and reduced downtime. Ergonomic design and easy-to-navigate interface for enhanced usability. Suitable for a wide range of components including BGA, SMD, and QFP. Whether you're a professional technician or electronics hobbyist, the ATTEN ST-862D offers the reliability and precision needed for demanding soldering jobs.